Hi, today we will discuss about the levels of self-image and also the importance of self-image. The level of self-image, there are 4 levels. Now, number 1 is self-image. Number 2 is self-belief. Number 3 is self-confidence. The level number 4 is self-esteem. So now, the importance of self-images. The first is self-image. The kind of self-image you will have, perceive yourself for you is directly related to the thoughts you will produce. That your thoughts will be consistent with the image you have created for yourself. Your image for yourself. Then again is the kind of thoughts you create will be directly related to the beliefs. The kind of belief you create for yourself. The kind of belief you create for yourself, you will take the action according to that. And your actions will be consistent with your belief. And again, the kind of result you will produce out of your actions will be according to your actions. So this is a circle of your success. So this is a secret of your success. So it means first you have to image your self-esteem, and everything is dependent upon that. What you will become, what you want to become, you have to be that. You have to be that emotionally, physically, and mentally. You have to visualize that, what you are, what you want to be. So the moment you create all that vision, visualization, imaginations of your, it will convert into the thoughts. Then the thoughts will be converted into the belief. The belief will be converted into the action. The action will be converted into the result. Thank you very much. Keep listening. I will be bringing many success secrets for you, for your success in your life. Thank you very much.